Hey there, plant enthusiasts and devoted cat owners. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore creative do-it-yourself DIY strategies that will help you maintain a peaceful coexistence between your beloved plants and feline friend. Living with cats can sometimes mean sacrificing some of our green babies, but fear not. We've got the perfect tips for keeping both your plants thriving and your furry companions happy. Let's dive in. First off, it's important to choose cat-friendly plants that are safe for them to nibble on. Some great options include spider plants, Boston ferns, African violets, and even catnip. These plants not only add greenery to your home, but also ensure the well-being of our four-legged friends. Now, let's discuss plant placement. Cats are naturally curious creatures who love exploring high places, so consider using wall-mounted shelves or hanging planters to keep your greenery out of reach. If you're short on space, tall plant stands can help deter your furry friend from getting too close. Next up, we need to address the issue of scratching. Cats often view soil as a tempting target for their claws. To prevent this, try covering the top layer of soil with pebbles or decorative rocks. This will create a barrier that keeps your cat away while still allowing water to flow through. Watering is also crucial in maintaining plant health without attracting cats too much attention. Self-watering planters are an excellent solution as they allow roots to absorb moisture gradually, preventing overwatering and reducing standing water below the pot. But what if you have a particularly persistent kitty who just won't stay away? It's time to bring out some deterrents. Double-sided tape or aluminum foil around the base of your plant pots can be effective. Cats don't like walking on these surfaces and will likely avoid them altogether. Another excellent deterrent is citrus spray. Cats hate the smell of citrus fruits, so mix water with lemon or orange peels to create a homemade spray. Just test it out first on a small area to ensure that it won't harm your plant. Now, let's talk about providing an alternative scratching post for your cat. Instead of tearing up your plants, they'll have their own designated spot to claw at. Take a large cardboard box and fill it with shredded paper or empty toilet paper rolls. Place it near your plants and sprinkle some catnip on top to encourage use. Finally, let's discuss keeping your cat entertained while you're away from home. Boredom can lead to destructive behavior, so make sure your furry friend has plenty of toys and activities to keep them occupied. Consider investing in a scratching post or climbing tower that provides both physical exercise and mental stimulation. In conclusion, by choosing the right DIY tips, such as selecting cat-friendly plants, placing them out of reach, covering soil with pebbles, using self-watering planters, implementing deterrents, creating alternative scratching posts, and providing alternative scratching posts, entertainment for your cat, you can create a harmonious environment where both green babies and furry friends thrive together. Remember that patience is key when cohabiting with cats. It may take some trial and error to find the perfect solutions that work best for both you and your feline companion. However, trust me when I say that having healthy plants alongside a happy cat makes all the effort worthwhile. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these DIY tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts and cat owners. Until next time, happy gardening!